Welcome to Kolster Plumbing. We specialize in residential and commercial plumbing repair and renovation. With our experience, we offer outstanding customer service and technical knowledge that save you time and money. Our plumbers provide quick responses for plumbing problems that include everything from faucets and food disposers to water heaters and toilets. When it comes to plumbing, drain cleaning, or sewer services, nobody handles your plumbing disaster faster. Contact us for more information or to schedule a service appointment. We look forward to working with you. Kolster Plumbing, 325-340-7429.